Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to reverse multiple bones in MMD. So let's get started. First, select one of the bones that you're going to reverse to the other side. Then, while holding Shift or pressing Shift, select the rest of the bones. Once you have all the bones selected, just press copy, paste, reverse, and there you go. The position has been reversed to the other side. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want to get notified for more tutorials like this. Bye bye.